All right, once you have created the white cross, now step 2 is to fill in our corners with our white pieces that also are in the correct location. And so we have 4 corners, okay, that have to have white on the top, but they also have to be in the correct location. Remember, this is our orange side, green side, which means we need to have orange, green, white. So that's what we're going to work on right now, is moving corners into the correct locations. So we'll do that with some stories here. And this is a story about kids who are up on a slide and they don't want to be up on a slide because they're freaking out. And so they have to get down off the slide so someone else can move up into that spot. And so what we're going to do is we're going to just take a look. The best location for a white corner is going to be if you just spin it like this. Remember, this is our top with our white cross. Any white pieces you see down on the bottom corners are perfect pieces to move. So right here I see a perfect piece because it's on a bottom corner and it is facing me when I spin it around. So I see it right here. Now this is facing me too, but it's on a top corner. So I'm going to take care of the bottom corners that have whites first. And these are in perfect position for our story. And so the first thing I need to do is look at what slide they want to be going on. So these vertical pieces here are going to be our slides. Okay, this is the top of the slide, this is the bottom of the slide. Okay, and it's, imagine a ladder going up, and these are people standing in those locations. And there's a top of the ladder and a bottom. And so I have a person right here who wants to go to the top, but let's see what slide they want to be on. If we look at their colors, oh, they want to be on the blue and the red slide. So here's blue, and this is the blue orange slide. That's not where I want to go. So I want to go, here's the red and the blue slide. So let's put this person at the bottom of the red and blue slide. Here's the slide. And the way we want to hold it is we want it facing our belly button. Okay, so I have my person at the correct slide and the white is facing my belly button. Now, here's the story. At the top of this slide is a little kid. Now, the little kid's freaking out and does not want to go down the slide. Okay, you, though, are at the bottom of the ladder waiting to go up. Okay, now, to make this problem go away, we need this kid to come down the ladder so that you can then go up. Okay, and so for them to come down, you can't just stand there. What do you have to do? You have to move out of the way. So you're going to move out of the way. Okay, and we're going to stay up close. Okay, and that's why we're going to stay in this location rather than spin all the way to the back. That's too far away. So we want to stay up close. Okay, move out of the way. Now this person, let's have him climb down the ladder. Okay, now that he's climbed down, think about what we would want to do. We want to move back over to the ladder, and our number one objective was to go up the slide. So back up we go. And there we are in the location. So again, let's spin it around. We're looking for white facing us. We don't have any white facing us in the bottom corners to do that nice, easy slide move. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to get some of these people off of the top of the slides. Okay, and to do that, we're just going to run that same slide move, but get these people off of the slides. And so what we'll do is we're going to face one of them right here. We want to get this person off of this slide. Oh, no, this one's right in the perfect location. Here we go. All right, so orange, green, nope, wrong slide. He needs to be over there. So we want to move him off of the slide so that we can put him over on the correct side. So let's look at our piece. You can look at it this way or this way, it doesn't matter. But we're going to take this guy off of the slide. Okay, so to do that, this move is a little bit silly, but we'll stick with our story. We're going to move a person out of the way. We're going to have him come down the slide ladder. Now that he's down, we're going to move our person back over to the ladder and bring him back up. Okay, now that we've done that, you can see our piece has now moved into the bottom. Okay, and we happen to move another piece up there too. All right, so if you look though, we have a white piece facing us in the bottom corner. And so now I'm gonna look at where I want it to go. I want him to go into the orange and green slide. So here we go, let's find the orange and green. Here's the orange and green slide, okay? And again, I want it facing my belly button. So he's waiting in line for the orange and green slide, okay? And I'm gonna have it facing me. So, oh no, there's someone up on the top of the orange and green slide. I need them to come down so that I can go up. And so, for this person to come down the slide, I need to get out of the way. Now remember, I'm not gonna go way to the back. I wanna stay up close so I can claim my spot again. So instead of moving to that way, I'm just gonna move right over here, out of the way. This person's gonna come down the slide ladder, and then I'm gonna move back over to the slide, and remember what I want to do is go up the slide. So there I am. Okay. All right, now let's go ahead. Oh, look, we have another white facing us. What slide do they want? Oh, the blue and the orange. So let's move to the blue and orange slide. So there we are. So I'm in the blue and orange slide, and I want to go to the top of the slide, but there's someone else here. So we need to have them get down the ladder, but I'm in the way. So what do I need to do? I need to move out of the way, but I'm going to stay up front. Okay. And now that I've moved out of the way, this person can come down the slide. Now that they've come down, I can take my place back on the bottom of the ladder and go ahead and climb up the slide back to the top. And so there I am in my location. All right, let's get this last person where they need to go. So I'm going to go ahead and face the person that I want to change spots with, basically because this is just not facing the right direction, okay? So I need to move some things around a little bit, okay? And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at this piece, and we're going to swap people. So I'm freaking out because I'm not even standing on the top of the slide the correct way. I'm hanging off the back edge. And so we'll put this piece up that doesn't matter up there for now. Let's go ahead and move him out of the way. Let's bring this person back down. Okay. Now that he's down the slide, we're going to move this person back over and let him go to the top. When we did that, you can see that we brought our other white down, and now he's facing the correct direction. And so now that we're facing the correct direction and we're at the correct slide, I'm ready to go back up again. So let me go ahead and say, hey, I want to get back up there. So I'm going to move out of the way, let him come back down. I'm going to claim my spot again and go back up the ladder to the top of the slide. And now that I've done that, we have all of our people at the top of the slide like they need to. So that is row 1 complete. Okay.